10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hello Ate Claire, Esteril Natisay po ito na bumabati sa inyo ng maligayang kaarawan po. Sana lahat ng wish nyo ay matupad. And in behalf po ng buong Team PNC, kami ay masaya po na naging part po kayo ng team po ng PNC. Ingat po lagi and God bless you always, Ate. Love you, enjoy your day. Good health po always, Ate Claire, and many more birthdays to come, and more power and good luck to your channel.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Claire. Ang gusto ko sa inyo sana po good health and more blessings to come po. Maraming salamat po sa mga blessings na pinagkaloob nyo, and we love you po.
Hi Ate Claire, happy birthday po. God bless you po. More birthdays to come. And salamat sa mga grasya na aming natanggap. Salamat sa mga blessings. And more subscriber to come. Yun lang. Bye-bye. God bless. Ingat po lagi sa work.
Hi! Gusto ko lang batiin na nag-iisang Auntie Claire Mix Edition ng Team PNC. Happy birthday po sa'yo, Auntie Claire. Wish ko sa'yo a good health. Siyempre, nakita mo na yung dream bride mo. Always long life and more birthday to come. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you lagi sa pag-share mo ng blessing sa amin. Lalo na lang sa Team PNC. Kung paano namin mahalin si Pretty Nice, ganun ka rin namin mahalin. Asahan mo yan, Auntie Claire. Thank you, like, support sa amin. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Claire Mix Edition. Wish you all the best in life. Stay safe. God bless. Thank you. Bye. Hello, Ate Claire. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Hi Ate Claire. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day. Stay healthy always. And ingat ka po palagi. More birthday to come. Sana po makita mo na po ang iyong the one and only. Happy birthday po. Ingat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Claire Mix Edition. Ang wish ko po sa iyo, sana lagi kang gabayan ng Panginoon, ilayo ka sa lahat ng sakit at sa lahat ng kapahamakan. Super grateful at thankful kami at nakilala ka namin. Salamat po sa pag-appreciate sa amin, sa lahat ng buong Team PNC. Yun lang po at maraming salamat, Ate Claire. Ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Ito po si Sir Mark Japos and thank you po sa pagpunta dito sa video greetings para sa ating kaibigan at YouTuber po na si Claire Mix Edition. So, happy birthday sa iyo and may God bless you all. So, lahat ng mga wishes mo sana matupad. God bless.
Hi Claire Mix Edition, happy birthday! I speak blessings upon blessings sa life mo, sa family mo, sa channel mo. Ayan, mas lumaki pa sana, mas makilala, mas mag-grow. And yeah, more blessings to come. Happy birthday, congrats, ano ka na, ilang taon na lang, meron ka ng discount sa sinihan, sa Jollibee. Ayan, magmadali ha, magmadali magkaroon ng senior ID. Basta, happy birthday, keep spreading and sharing good vibes to everyone. And yeah, more vlogger, nakasupport din sa'yo. Happy birthday and God bless!
Hey, what's up, Jump the Diyos ay bumabati sa'yo. Miss Claire, Mix Edition ng mapagpalang kaarawan. Talaga naman, salamat ng maraming sa'yo dahil patuloy mong binubuhos din ang pagpapala sa aking tahanan. At ako'y lubos na nagpapasalamat sa'yo at bumabati na mapagpalang kaarawan. Enjoy your birthday at dalangin ko kung ano man ang desire ng iyong puso ay patuloy na ipagkaloob. At bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi Ate Claire, gusto lang itang batiin ng happy birthday and wish ko sana marami pang blessing na dumating sa'yo at maraming salamat sa support na binibigay mo po sa amin sa YouTube channel ko and thank you sa tiwala and salamat kasi you treat us like your brother, kapatid. Lagi po kayo mag-iingat po dyan sa Singapore. At sa mga nanonood po dito guys, alam niyo naman po kung gaano kabait sa Ate Claire. Hopefully po na sana wag po natin siyang abusuhin. Sobrang bait po ni Ate Claire. So Ate Claire, maraming salamat. God bless and enjoy your day. Thank you.
Hello to Miss Claire Mix Edition. Happy birthday to you and may God bless you and may God strengthen you and may always be safe po and continue to be a blessing and may God bless you more and more and happy birthday and congratulations!
Hi everyone, my name is Angeline Cortez at babatiin natin ang ating friendship na si Sissy Bays Claire. Happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy life. Happy birthday. I wish you got hot. Happy birthday!
Ayan! Hello po sa lahat! Ito po si Daryl Cabasal Tamayo. And magbibigay po tayo ng greetings natin kay Miss Claire's Mixed Edition sa kanyang birthday. Happy birthday, Miss Claire! Ayan, maraming salamat sa pagiging isang supportive na kaibigan dito sa YT. Maraming salamat at naging kaibigan kita dito. And wish ko sa iyo ay sana mas marami ka pang birthdays na i-celebrate kasama ang iyong pamilya at mga kaibigan. At sana din ay makamit mo ang mga minimiti ng iyong puso. At sana ay maging matagumpay ka sa lahat ng iyong gagawin, sa lahat ng endeavors mo sa buhay. Sana ipagpalain ka ng may kapal ng Diyos. Sana ibigay sa iyo ang lahat ng blessings na nararapat para sa iyo. Happy birthday ulit. God bless you.
Hello sa lahat dyan, mga nanonood para sa ating GL birthday greetings. Ayan, nahiningan ako ng kahit daw maikli na birthday greetings lang, mapagpaunlak ako. Sino ba naman ako para tumanggi, magbigay ng birthday message sa napaka-supportive, napakamabait at napakagandang host na si Claire Mix Edition, diba? So gusto kong una batiin siya ng happy birthday. Ayan. At sana yung mga wish mo sa buhay at sa hindi lang siguro sa iyo, basta ano yung mga nasa puso mo na gusto mong mangyari, sana matupad na. And sana pag na-reach mo na yung silver play button, wag ka pa rin magbago. And salamat sa mga suporta mo. Salamat sa pag-stay sa mga easy sa mga premiere ko. And hope to meet you in person and make kahit siguro 1 hour or 2 hour just sit and have a chit chat or coffee, anything. It's my pleasure if gonna meet, kung mamimit kita in person. And happy birthday, Claire Mix Edition. And God bless.
Ayan, mega love shoutout everyone. This is Noel Diaz, #Chinito. So, meron lang akong gustong i-greet. Miss Claire edition. Ayan, happy birthday to you. So, wishing you more birthday to come. And, of course, good health. Most especially this time of pandemic. So, hoping lagi ka lang healthy and laging mag-ingat. And happy birthday to you. God bless you. More power to your channel. And keep safe lang and sa inyong pamilya. God bless sa inyo and enjoy your day and enjoy life. Live life with the fullest. Happy birthday again. God bless.
Happy birthday po, Claire Mix Edition! Thank you po sa pagiging ate sa aming mga ka-Fifi. Mahal na mahal ka po namin. Happy birthday po ulit. Salamat po sa araw-araw na makikipagharutan at biruan po sa aming mga ka-PMC. Sana po wag po kayong magsawa. Maraming salamat din po sa pag-share ng blessings po sa amin lagi. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Thank you po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, ilan pala, thank you for the birth. Ilan pala, happy birthday.
Hello, Ate Claire! Ayan, kilalang pa ba ako? Baka hindi mo na ako kilala ha. So, happy birthday, Ate Claire. And more birthday to come and more blessing to come. And lagi ka mag-iingat sa lahat ng mga lakad mo or kahit saan, lagi ka mag-iingat. And ayun, nandito lang ako para suportahan ka, and no matter what happen, love na love pa rin kita. Yes, love na love pa rin kita, Ate Claire, kasi sobrang laking pasasalamat ko sa iyo when I was during my campaign sa Be the Star Boy Next Door ng ABS-CBN Star Hunt. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga YouTube friends ko. Ayan, papasalamat ako. And Ate Claire, isa kang YouTube friends ko na nandoon talaga sa aking live stream sa Kumu. And yun nga, maraming salamat, and talagang na-appreciate ko yung pagpunta mo sa stream ko, and yung pag-good luck mo sa akin is napakalaking tulong. And nakikita ko yung mga share post mo, yung pagma-my day mo tungkol about sa akin. Sobrang laki ng pasasalamat ko sa iyo, Ate Claire. And ngayon, Ate Claire, ayan, medyo umaangat na, so sana tuloy-tuloy, and maraming salamat, and wish ko lang sa birthday mo, yan, good health always, and sa pagiging attitude, wala na akong problema dun, kasi sobrang bait mo, sobrang malalahanin sa kaibigan. Ang ano ko lang dun, love na love ka namin, and syempre yung health, ayan, ingatan mo yung sarili mo, yung katawan mo, ingatan mo. Ayan, so, yun. Pangalawa, yung pag-YouTube, ituloy mo pa rin. Ayan, kahit paminsan-minsan na lang ako dumalaw sa'yo, ayan, tuloy mo pa rin yun kasi doon tayo kumikita. And, yun, more friends pa rin sa YouTube. Ayan. Maraming salamat, Ate Claire, sa lahat ng tulong mo sa akin, sa lahat ng nagawa mo sa akin. Maraming salamat. And also again, happy birthday, Ate Claire. And I love you so much. Bye-bye, Ate Claire. Love you.
Birthday na ni Claire.
birthday na ni Claire. Birthday ngayon ni Claire. Get ow. Happy birthday, 6 Bam Claire. Hello Lalabs Claire, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. God bless and stay healthy. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Claire Mix Edition. Ayan, salamat sa suporta lagi, Miss Claire. Siguro may 1 year na yata tayong magkakalala sa YouTube. Kaya binabati kita ngayong araw na to ng happy birthday. At salamat din sa Team PMC na kagrupo mo. Isa tong mga to sa mga sumusuporta rin sa Team Puyots. Kaya ayan, balik lang ako ng support sa inyo. And Claire Mix, happy birthday kapatid. At enjoy your day. And ayun, God bless sa'yo. From Team Puyots TV, Direk Hackett and Jin and Boss Pat. And happy birthday Sisi. At God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy Claire Mix Edition. Ayun, happy birthday. Siguro, babatiin mo na ita bago ako mag-perform. Siyempre, hilingi sa akin ng kailangan ng greetings. At nandito ako sa aking workplace. Ayan, bago ang lahat sa mga ito. Congratulate sa iyong grand alert, sa iyong birthday celebration. Yan. Doon na lang, kita-kits tayo sa iyong celebration and more power sa iyong channel. Happy birthday, Ate Claire Mix Edition from Singapore. Ayan, bye-bye!
Hi Miss Claire, this is Dom Rodriguez wishing you a happy birthday. I hope you always stay safe there and God bless. More blessings to come. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hi guys, this is Magdam Tanan. Happy birthday! Celebrant for today na si Claire Mix Edition. Yung channel nyo. But yun, Claire, thank you so much at nakasama rin tayo. And thank you kasi ngayon, friend na tayo. And thank you so much kasi alam ko, napaka-bait mo. Ayun, na nakita kita sa last LS ko na nag-standby ka talaga. And thank you so much and my wish for you abundant blessing and hope that God will bless you more and we're all the desire of your hearts and more blessings and good health and continue what you're doing and to be a good person also, to be a good friend and alam ko napaka ganda mo inside and out and yan nakikita ko naman yan. Yun, ano ba to? Hope one day is mag-meet tayo and hope one day is magkasama din tayo and nawa I'm always here naman na to support you anytime naman na invite niya ako lalo na mga Team PMC and thank you so much kasi naandang rin natin then and to you Claire, happy birthday once again and continue to be a good person, good heart and continue what you're doing also sabi ko na and share your blessings to others ito kalad mo share ng blessings and dahil po kanan mo ng Panginoon ibinabalik ko yung sobra na ako and once again thank you so much and happy birthday for you. God bless you.
fell by the wayside like everyone else. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, but I was just kidding myself. Every moment I start to replace. It's not that they're gone, all I hear the words that I needed to say. When you hurt under the surface, like troubled water running cold. But time can heal, but this won't. So before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I'd have known you had a storm to weather. So before you go, was there something I could have said to make it all stop hurting? It kills me how your mind can make you feel so worthless. So before you go, was never the right time, and never you called. But little by little by little, until there was nothing at all. Every moment I start to replay, but all I can think about is seeing the look on your face. When you hurt under the surface, like troubled water running cold. But some can heal, but this won't. So before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I'd have known you had a storm to weather. So before you go, was there something I could have said to make it all stop hurting? It kills me how your mind can make you feel so worthless. So before you go, would be better off by now if I'd have let my walls come down. Maybe a guess will never know. You know, you know. Before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I'd have known you had a storm to weather. So